In this video, I will be showing you how to install ChatGPT on Windows. Let's get started. First, I head down to the Windows search bar at the bottom of the desktop screen, click inside it, and type in Store to find the Microsoft Store application. Once it appears under the best match results, I click on the Microsoft Store icon to open it up. I wait a moment for the storefront interface to load completely. Now that the Microsoft Store window is fully loaded, I navigate up to the top search bar labeled Search Apps, Games, and More. I click inside this search box and type out ChatGPT in all capital letters. After typing it in, I hit Enter to run the search across the store. The search results populate, showing several applications. I click directly on the ChatGPT app panel to open up its dedicated installation page. On this page, I look for the blue Install button situated right under the application title and publisher information. I go ahead and click on the Install button to initiate the process. Within a few moments, the download progress bar appears, showing the official ChatGPT Windows app installation progress as the megabytes download. I take a quick pause here while the installation finishes up. Once it reaches 100%, the button changes to a blue Open button, and a small notification pops up in the bottom right corner confirming that ChatGPT just got installed. I click the blue Open button to launch the application for the very first time. The initial ChatGPT desktop interface initializes, and a prompt window appears asking to let ChatGPT access my precise location. The app window displays a prompt stating "Ready when you are." I want to log into my account, so I look toward the top right corner of the window and click on the Login button. A login selection window opens up over the interface. I click inside the email address input field at the bottom of the form and type in my registration email. After entering the email, I click the green Continue button underneath. This action automatically opens a new Google Chrome browser window for authentication, bringing me to the Google account selection screen. I click on my account profile name to proceed with the Google sign-in process. Next, I click inside the Enter Your Password field, type in my secure password step by step, and hit the Next button to authorize the login. The browser processes the credentials, displaying a loading screen before redirecting back to the app. A pop-up window appears in Chrome asking to open ChatGPT. I click the Open ChatGPT button to return to the desktop application. The application logs in and syncs my profile settings. The interface refreshes, bringing me directly into the main, fully functional ChatGPT workspace, ready to accept prompts. That is how you successfully install and set up ChatGPT on Windows. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.